Human cloning, two words that spark both fascination and fear. What was once the realm of science fiction has now become reality, and it's stirring up debates everywhere, from labs to boardrooms to coffee shops around the world. So what's going on the other side of this fast-developing science? Let's start with the basics. In recent months, human cloning rates have surged dramatically, and with it comes a wave of controversy. Advocates say cloning could revolutionize medicine, allowing us to cure diseases, regenerate organs, and even extend lifespans. But others aren't so optimistic. Questions about ethics, identity, and the potential for misuse loom large over the global stage. The cloning debate is here to stay. The World Health Organization has stepped in, announcing plans to impose new restrictions on cloning practices. Their goal? To regulate its use and control its spread. Why? Well, some scientists are sounding the alarm about darker possibilities. Could cloning technologies be weaponized? Could we see someone or some nation cross the moral boundary to create armies of cloned humans? Yes, that sounds dystopian, but the debate is far from black and white. While nations scramble to figure out cloning's ethical boundaries, the global economy has already felt its ripple effects. Think about it. Human cloning has introduced a dramatic increase in the workforce. At first glance, it seems like good news. After all, unemployment rates have plummeted in many areas. But dig deeper, and the economic picture gets murky. With more workers flooding industries, wages have dropped across the board, and workers aren't happy. Some economists warn that if cloning continues at this pace, it could lead to long-term instability, throwing traditional labor systems into chaos. And then there's the question of identity, the human ingredient that cloning challenges at its core. If a clone shares your face, DNA, and even your voice, where do they end and you begin? Philosophers, sociologists, and everyday people are grappling with this. Should clones have the same rights? Can you build meaningful relationships with someone who's genetically identical to you? And what if cloned humans exhibit unexpected genetic differences? How will society deal with a new layer of potential discrimination? These are the questions we'll face in an age of genetic doubles. Meanwhile, cloning science is accelerating faster than anyone could have predicted. Just last week, a team of researchers announced groundbreaking progress, a new technology that allows cloning without stem cells. You heard that right. Stem cells may no longer be required. This innovation, they say, has the potential to reshape cloning completely, particularly in the medical field. Imagine treatments for chronic illnesses that were once impossible. But there's a darker side to every technological leap. Experts are already raising concerns about how this new process could be weaponized or abused for power and profit. Our science fiction fears are inching closer to science fact. Still, it's not all heavy. The cloning boom has brought some seriously hilarious moments, and we've got one for you. A story straight out of Hollywood. A famous actress supposedly cloned herself so she could star in multiple films at the same time. Sounds genius, right? Well, not quite. While the clone plan helped her manage a packed schedule, things got out of hand fast. Sources claim there's been chaos behind the scenes. Get this, her cloned versions have been spotted arguing over roles and awards. Yep, you heard that right. According to one witness, "I saw it myself. 3 of them were fighting over the Best Actress trophy. It was absolutely hilarious." Talk about drama, on and off screen. As cloning proves, even copies can find ways to challenge each other, or ourselves. So here's the big question. What does the future of cloning hold? Will it lead us to cures for humanity's greatest ailments, or will it unleash challenges we never saw coming? Whether it shakes up economics, ethics, or identity, or simply sends 3 actresses chasing the same Oscar, it's clear the cloning debate is here to stay. Stay tuned for new news and videos from the other side.